Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first shape, smiley emoji, triangle, pentagon, square, hexagon, cube. Kids, colors name, purple color, light pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, green color, red color, brown color, blue color and pink color. Kids, shapes of drawing, green color, smiley emoji, triangle, pentagon, square, hexagon, cube. Kids, color fill, yellow color, smiley emoji, light pink color, triangle, light green color, pentagon, black color, square, red color, hexagon, sky blue color, cube, sky blue color, cube, smiley emoji, triangle, pentagon, square, hexagon, cube. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.